Lesson 12. In this lesson, we are going to learn about tones, tone marks, third tone changes to second tone, and the sound spelling rules. Chinese is a tonal language. It is essential to speak with the correct tone to make yourself understood correctly. The tones are first, second, third, fourth, and neutral tone. Let's look at some examples. Ba, 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 ba. That's the first, second, third, and fourth tone. The neutral tone is in spoken language. For example, 你好吗? Which means, how are you? The ma in this sentence is a neutral tone. The tone mark is always placed on the finals. When a syllable contains only a single vowel, the tone mark is placed directly above the vowel letter. For example, ba. In this sound, is the final. You put the first tone mark on top of 很. In this sound, is a vowel sound, so you put the third tone mark on top of When the final of the sound is composed of two or more vowels, the tone mark should be placed in the following order: a, wo, i, wu, yu, which means if you have a in a sound, you should always put the tone mark on top of a. If there is no a but there is wo, you should put the tone mark on wo, so on and so forth. Here are some examples. 好. In this sound, you have a and wo. A is in front of wo, so you put the tone mark on top of a. 会. In this sound, you have u and i, but i is in front of u, so you put the tone mark on top of i. 天, tian, so we have i and an. A is in front of e, so we put the tone mark on top of a. The dot over the vowel sound e is removed when the tone mark is placed on it. For example, 你, 平, there is no dot on top of e. When a third tone is immediately followed by another third tone, the first third tone is pronounced as a second tone, but the tone mark doesn't change. For example, 你好. In spoken language, it is pronounced 你好. 很好. In spoken language, it's pronounced 很好, 很好. When ji, qi, si is spelled with yu, the two dots on top of yu are removed. For example, ji and yu, when it is spelled together, it looks like ji and wu, but you must know it is not wu, it is yu. The two dots are removed. Xu, qu. When is at the beginning of a sound, it is spelled as E, the English letter Y. The E sound itself is spelled as E. When W is at the beginning of a sound, it is spelled as W, like the English letter W. The W sound is spelled as W. The U sound itself is spelled as U. The two dots above U are removed. That's all the grammar we need to learn for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Bye bye.